Hey guys, today we're gonna make deep fried stuffed zucchini. My friend had a lot of zucchini in her garden this summer. She shared a lot with me. I have been tried zucchini bread, zucchini muffins, zucchini noodles, and anything you can think about American way to cook zucchini. I actually got this recipe from my mom. She's a Chinese and she prefers cook the zucchini like this way. It's actually really simple and easy and it's absolutely delicious. Today I'm gonna show you how she made her stuffed zucchini. I got one washed zucchini on the cutting board. Slice it, each around ½ centimeter thick. In a medium-sized bowl, we're gonna make some deep fried batter. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup sweet rice flour, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 1/4 cup water, stir them together. For the pork filling, I used 1 pound of ground pork and add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 teaspoons oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Use a hand, mix them well together. Now this is the fun part. Just think about you're gonna make the hamburger and the zucchini is the hamburger bun. You're gonna put the ground pork between these 2 slices of zucchini, like make a zucchini hamburger. There's no number amount how much ground pork you're supposed to put between these 2 slices of zucchini. If you like more meat, you can actually put more. Just deep fry it longer later. The last step is deep fry our stuffed zucchini. Make sure the fry oil temperature around 350 degrees. I use a chopstick. Dip the stuffed zucchini into the batter. If you don't know how to use the chopstick, you can use a tongue. Deep fry each side around 5 minutes. So the total frying time about 10 minutes. You will see this outside batter will slowly change to the crispy, beautiful golden color, and it's about time to take them out. You can eat it just like this way. I like to dip it in the ranch dipping sauce. And you can dip it into any of your favorite sauce. The outside batter is crispy and inside the zucchini is juicy and tender. The pork filling is tasty, flavorful. Overall, this deep fried stuffed zucchini is 10 out of 10. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. I'm gonna have this recipe down below. If you like to try it, don't forget to tell me what you think. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel. See you next time.